What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Traxxas ox400 off-road. Now, I'm hoping some point this thing will get used this weekend. I did put a little air on the tire because it was getting low on air a little bit because you can see how much it's better this thing's getting. So I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 mowing season, and I promise you this thing will get used, you can see, but I know this thing will get used this weekend because I know it's going to use it for blowing the dirt and rocks, and you can see because how much it's better this thing, but it's really how much it's better this thing. I mean, it's got a hitch on it like you see because I do kind of like this thing a lot because you can see how much it's better this thing exactly. So don't worry, this thing will get used again this weekend. Because I know since the fact this thing will get used this weekend, because I know since the fact this thing will get used. And I think it looks pretty cool in my opinion, but I do like this thing a lot because you can see the bed is a little dirty a little bit, but that's because you can see that this thing got used almost like, I don't know, a couple of times already this season, but you can see it's definitely how much it's very expected in this machine, so I hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend. I'm hoping this thing will get used this weekend because I know since the fact that it will get used, but I do really excited to say how much it's expected this thing. I do like this machine a lot because, you know what, it definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion since, you know, since the thing was so big, this thing will be used this weekend.